Good morning student, welcome back here. I hope all are well. Now today we going to discuss chapter number 3 civics, and chapter name is how the state government works. Student, first of all this lecture number is 1. Let's see. You can see that in this chapter we study what is government level in India, story of Patalpuram, whose responsibility and who is an MLA, and fifth case study of state government Gujarat and working of the government. Now let's see. This is the introduction of part ki what is the work of the government as the state level, and one by one discuss how does this take place in a democracy and what is the role of member of the legislative assembly, and last how do people express their views or demand action from government. Now let's see. Student, very simple ki what is government means a group of people that governs a country. It take a decision and makes enforces laws for the citizen of the country. Now student, you see कि main parts for discuss कि government work for people. First, supplying the drinking water and electricity, provide the health and education, building, maintaining, repairing roads, providing a good public transportation a system, bus, railway, etc., and fixing and reducing the price on initial commodity. It is the main work for government. Student, are you know that कि government this is the service provided for people. Okay. Now let's see. There are main three levels of Indian government. First, central government, state government, and local self government. Okay. There are three levels: central government, state government, and local self government. Now, the story of whose responsibility? This story for पतालपुरम. आप आज पढ़ेंगे कि पतालपुरम में क्या था, कैसे. Now let's see. One is what is happening in Patalpuram. Firstly, acute the water crisis, unclean drinking water. So now acute problem is create for diarrhea. Why? Because the unclean drinking water, and main problem is children are the worst affected. ज़्यादा कौन affected हो रहा था student? Children. And according to TV news, and 10 people have died from the disease. और इस disease से डायरिया की प्रॉब्लम से 10 जो लोग थे वो डाई कर गए. And Degira wrote the MLA residents and demand take immediately actions to bring the public health situation under control. MLA के पास अपनी जो डिमांड थी उनकी कि हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम को कंट्रोल किया जाए. Okay, now next question. But why is this problem serious? Because several people have died from diarrhea. Now, why problem is created? Because what action? Next question. What action do you think can be taken in the above situation? And who do you think should take this action? Because a clean drinking water should be supplied to the people. Okay. क्यों ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी? क्योंकि अनक्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर था. और डिजीज़ कौन सी हो गई थी? डायरिया. और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वर्स्टेड जो चिल्ड्रंस को प्रॉब्लम अफेक्टेड हो रही थी. और कितने लोग डाई किए स्टूडेंट? 10 पीपल्स. तो नाउ तो दिस इज़ द मेन MLA जो पतालपुरम फ्रॉम शुड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल इनफ टू टेक दिस डिसीजन. इसलिए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हुज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पतालपुरम? MLA. तो MLA वहाँ का उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी कि उसे ड्रिंकिंग और सारी चीज़ों की ऊपर उसको ध्यान देना चाहिए. ओके स्टूडेंट. तो नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट पार्ट. स्टूडेंट, हु इज़ एन MLA? फर्स्टली MLA फुल फॉर्म मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. Every 5-year election is an announce for state legislative assembly, and political parties nominate their people for each constituency. All member of the legislative assembly are elected on the basis of ये किस थ्रू elected होते हैं स्टूडेंट? अडल्ट पंचायती. and one member is elected from one constituency. तो स्टूडेंट MLA is a representative elected by the voters of an electoral district constituency to the legislative of a state in the Indian system of government. Student, I am already discussed the Patalpuram story. So you know that कि not immediately action for the health related MLA. So this is the main responsibility of MLA. So do you know कि the MLA of your area also, and mainly कि member of the legislative assembly are elected by the people. तो सब जगह एवरी स्टेट में इन इंडियन हैज़ अ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. स्टूडेंट, हर जगह लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली होती है और हर जगह का एमएलए होता है, जैसा कि अब हम लोग ने पतालपुरम में पढ़ा और वहाँ देखा. तो मेंबर्स ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली एमएलए आर इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल. ओके, इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल एंड दे कैन they them become members of the legislative assembly and also from the government. So in this way we say that the MLA represent people. Okay, represent the people. So for example, you are already discussed the understand this better कि Patalpuram story. So every state in India has a legislative assembly. Okay, now see, this is the legislative assembly, and legislative assembly is the main debate in the legislative assembly, and this assembly was going to have a debate on a current problems, and during this time of MLA can express their opinion and ask question related to the issues or give suggestion about what should be done by the government, and those who wish to can respond to this. The minister and replies the question and tries to assure the assembly and adequate steps are been taken. So the chief minister and the other minister have to take a decision and run the government, and we usually student hear about them or see them in the news channel or in papers. Whatever any decision and being taken have to approved by the members of the legislative assembly. So in a democracy these members can ask question, debate. So debate is an important part of issues. Okay, important part of current issues, and decide where money should be spent, etc. So main you are know that ki debate in the legislative assembly, and this problem is solved for the current problem and discussion, etc. Okay, now let's see next part. Who is an MLA? I am already discussed. This is a full form member of legislative assembly. और आप लोग सुनते हैं कि विधायक और विधानसभा का सदस्य, और an MLA is a member of the legislative assembly. I am already discussed. He is elected by the people. In this way he represent the people, and these MLAs belong to different political parties, and some MLAs have dual responsibility. One is MLA and other as minister. You can see that in this picture that is the same जो सेंटर पार्ट ऑफ द स्पीकर गुजरात, ये जो वहाँ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली है गुजरात का है, और देखिए यहाँ पर स्पीकर मेन सेंटर पार्ट में जो टॉप पे हैं, दिस इज़ द स्पीकर वहाँ के हैं, और इधर देखिए सीएम है इस साइड, और इधर आपके हो गए अपोजिंग पार्टी और मिनिस्टर्स. तो ये आपका हो गया लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. और